Okay, we're looking at a fruit. It's in Sapotacea, and so this is the milk fruit, or star apple. So that's when you cut it crosswise, you'll see the seeds form a star shape. So there are these little black ones, about an inch long. So this is Chrysophyllum, cainito, and I'm going to say cainito is probably a native name for it. It's a pretty decent fruit. I don't think it's apparently it is a wild fruit, and that's pretty big for a wild fruit. But anyway, it's native to the Isthmus of Panama, but it's been spread around the Americas because it is a decent edible fruit, and it's very popular in Southeast Asia. And so forth. So anyway, this is one I bought at the local store here, and it's not quite the right color. It could be purple, but this is certainly possible. It could be that there's been some selection for the color, but I think purple would be more appealing. So I cut it in half. I'm going to say very mild pear, maybe. Apple, I mean, not apple, but banana. But I'm not being terribly impressed. But it is a small tree, and it is grown in tropical areas. And so I've seen it grow in pots and stuff like that. The plant family this belongs to and the seed arrangement is very common. There's a number of New World fruits that fall into this group, and this is not the most flavorful among them. Actually, the Sapotilla is distinctly more flavorful, and but that's got a brown sandpapery skin rather than this. So anyway, so this is the milk fruit, star apple, and I'm going to say it's perfectly edible, but I'm not sure how much I'd really pay. It's not something you really want to get too much, and also it see it's actually quite soft, and that's when you want to start eating them, it's one of those New World fruits that have to be very soft to be ripe, along with any members of that family. So there you go.